Goodbye boring and hello to fashion with all new fashion show segments on I'm What's Trending, only on Up Close, Unplugged and Uncut with your girl Sounds of Shiree, and only on New View TV. Stay in the know with all things fashion right here in the city of Indianapolis, Indiana. These upcoming show segments will feature some of the hottest designers not only in Indy but around the globe, as well as some of your favorite top models. Get on over to Facebook and like our page, New View TV, and stay up to date with show segments that'll air on soundsofshare.net. Designer who has a show or an event coming up that you need media coverage for? Well, let's discuss business. Email me at soundsofshare32@gmail.com. Are you an up-and-coming model looking to further advance your career? Become an SOS model today. Call 317-869-6345 and ask for Terry. Do you have a show idea or a topic that you would like for me to cover? Well, I'd love to hear it. Email me at soundsofshare32@gmail.com.